Hello friends, another update from the eruption side. Now it's stopped to rain, so it's kind of nice, much better now. And still quite a few tourists here on the summit of Litlihrutur. Not many though, very few. And volcano is erupting, is not over yet. Eruption is not over. We have double crater inside of a foam cone, you see. This is how it looks. Sorry. There's this outer wall, and there is another wall inside another crater, which is shooting lava. Very small crater that is erupting. It's kind of strange because we had several wall collapses recently, which nearly suffocated the eruption. Maybe eruption stopped because of the self-destruction, self-suffocation. Well, it didn't stop, but slow it down because simply lava blocks that were falling from the walls. It kind of slowed down the eruption activity. But it's not completely over yet, so it's pretty close to that. So, yeah, if you wish to see the volcano, you really have to hurry up erupting the way it is. You really have to hurry up next days, because I suspect this won't last long. But well, we don't know, but we will see. Hard to say. So I'm not alone here. Nina is still hiking up the mountain. She's almost here. Yesterday she had her birthday. She's almost reaching the summit. Ina! There you see her hanging up. She's a rain jacket. So it's her first time on this mountain. It's 9.5 kilometers, and this is the last section here to get to the summit. So it's no joke. For some people, it's very hard. Not for me. I just feel fresh, nice. After hiking 80 kilometers this month, I did 8 hikes here. I can't think. Well, it's more. I hiked 20. More than 80 kilometers. 160 kilometers I hiked this once. 160 kilometers in 8 hikes. Anyway, so this is how the situation is. Very little hot lava around. Still lots of helicopters flying. It's a very interesting bird here I see there. You see this bird there? This white bird. What bird is this? Anyway, never saw this bird in Iceland, just first time. So, helicopters still flying around. So this is the volcano today. Each time lava shoots people like this, people say, "Wow!" It's still incredible for some people who haven't seen it. It's still impressive. But you remember what it was here the first day. Maybe we will have another issue. Maybe another eruption in a year or two, very possible. But I might make one more hike, not sure. We will see. Here Nina came to the summit of the volcano. Oh well, Litlihrutur eruption side. her first time on the summit of Litlihrutur. Nina, hello. How are you doing?
Hello.
How are you doing? All the best from Iceland.